What if I told you there are AI tools that can do your work in seconds for free? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools you must try in 2026. Welcome to TechFlux AI. Here we explore the best AI tools, online earning methods, and productivity hacks to help you work smarter, not harder. First tool is ChatGPT. It helps you write scripts, answer questions, and create content ideas in seconds. It's like having your own assistant available 24/7. Second tool is Canva. You can create thumbnails, posters, and social media designs easily using ready-made templates. Third tool is remove.bg. It removes image backgrounds in just one click, perfect for thumbnails and designs. Fourth tool is 11 Labs. It converts text into natural human-like voice, perfect for YouTube videos and automation channels. Fifth tool is Pexels. It gives you free stock videos and images that you can use in your content without copyright issues. These tools can completely change the way you work online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to TechFlux AI for more powerful tools and tutorials.